Okay, I'm going into Hannah's studio. Here we go. This is in summertime. We're gonna see how Hannah is managing. Hello! Okay, we'll keep going. Okay, here we are. Hello, Hannah.
Oh, Janine.
How's it going? I thought I'd stop by and see you.
I'm so glad you're here.
Oh no!
Oh,
What is going on?
All these big ones that don't fit in
Oh,
my
that's terrible. I thought you were really organized.
I usually am, but
Okay, what is going on with these games, Hannah?
too
Honestly.
big. I don't know what to do. Help me.
Okay, these games are much too big, Hannah.
I need help. What should I do with them? Just a second, kids. I know the game I need is in here somewhere. Wait. Today I need a game about bridges. Bridges. There it is.
Who wants to be right? Does the rain is better when something is wrong? You get excitement in your bones and everything you do's a game. When night comes and you're on your own, you can say I chose to be alone. Who wants to be right? Does the rain? It's harder when you're on top. Cause when hard work don't pay off and I'm tired, there ain't no room in.
Okay, right now is organization time for my studio. This is what I'm dealing with. There it is, the big games. I'm hopefully gonna hang them up on hangers in my closet.
Be right high when you just crumble back on down. You give up every